What we have here is a 1965 Austin Healey Sprite, and I think if you take a quick look, you can see. I guess you can see I got a lot of problems, but most specifically, I need to put in new floors. We got, I think, what people call the Fred Flintstone floors. I don't think a lot of people even know who Fred Flintstone is anymore, but what we've got here is some floors that are rotted out. Super common problem with any car. It's old, but British cars in particular. The sills are all rotten out. I'm not sure how far you can see back there, but the floors are rotten out, and then the side sills, and even the lower hinge on the door where it mounts is rotten out. So either today or tomorrow, we are going to cut as much of this out as we can, and then we are on the driver's side. I didn't buy a part for the passenger side yet. I happened to get a replacement floor for a newer Sprite than this, so it doesn't match up perfect, but I wanted to cut this one out, see if I can piece it in, and then if not, I was going to buy a matching set or the whole floor panel that goes across the bottom. But yeah, the plan is to cut out a large section on the front first so I can rest sort of on the back part, so deep into the footwell, and then after I cut it out close, maybe an inch from the walls from the sides, then we'll either get a spot weld remover or maybe air hammer out the rest, and then see how much more we're gonna have to cut out. It does look like a lot of that front footwell is rotted out, inner and outer. I don't mind making this flat side panels just out of, I don't know, 18 or 20 gauge or 16 gauge steel or whatever I can get, but the floor does have strengthening agents, the gussets in it. They do make it stronger, and I think that I'll probably buy a replacement piece for the lower door hinge. I've seen those on Moss or Victoria British, or I don't know, any one of these weird places that sells British parts. So we'll try that out. We'll cut out as much as we can. I think that I might even videotape it because it would be kind of fun, although it'd probably be too loud. I don't know how you feel about the noise. I don't like watching people's noise. Yeah. This is my Sprite. I've had it for a long time and never drove it. It is mostly straight. It's kind of a not bad paint job if you're, I don't know, 20 feet away. I'm not in it so much for looks as I am for motoring, just driving it around. But the engine was rebuilt, and most of the stuff is there. It just needs some floors, and then we'll see if we can get it to run. It's all part of the adventure. It does need carburetors. I do have the SU side drafts, but I am thinking that I want to do something adventurous and try a single Mikuni, like the dirt bike carb flat side. There's a lot to see, but one step at a time. In particular, the floors. So cut them out, spot weld them back in, maybe some seam sealer, paint up what we can, and then one step at a time. It's a unibody. All the strength is kind of in the floor and these cross members, so I don't want to go too crazy until we know that we can build something. So yeah, this is it. This is the beginning, or some of the beginning, and soon we'll be on our way. Thanks for checking it out, and if you want to see how the adventure goes, you can, like that scallop basket. I kept scratching my leg on the exhaust pipe, so I put scallop basket there to stock it. But yeah, if you want to see how this turns out, you can watch more on the videos. It is starting today. Hopefully before the end of the summer, I'll at least have it back on the ground. Good luck to me. Check it out. Thanks for watching.